Let's talk about a smarter way to work, using AI to automate the boring stuff.
Imagine kicking off your most complex tasks with just one simple prompt. It's a reality now.
But first, let's talk about a problem we all know too well, the daily digital chaos. On average, people switch between apps and websites almost 1,200 times every single day. All that switching back and forth, it really adds up, and it costs us big time. It costs teams almost 4 hours a week. That's about 9% of their entire year's capacity. So what if you could get all that time back? Well, now you can. That's where Zoho Click comes in. You type a prompt, and the AI handles the rest. So what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's dive into some examples. These simple commands can trigger huge, complex workflows automatically. Talk about a time saver. And look, the philosophy here is super important. This is about giving you an AI teammate. Exactly. The best companies will be the ones that give their teams the best tools. Just imagine what you could do with those extra hours. Focus on what really drives growth. So, are you ready to stop toggling and start working smarter? It's time.